Hey, what's up, guys? It's another tool tip from Chris. Guy just sent this tool today by Stanley, and it is the new DeWalt Rivnut puller, battery operated. This is showing the 18 volt, also now available in the 20 volt, but it is a very nice, quick tool for installing Rivnuts. But it also gives you some full traceability, and it shows you different types of lot counting and job counting. Stay tuned, see more. As you can see, it's set up for 2 insertions. Now this tool, just because it actuates doesn't mean it's going to count, because like I can sit there and I can simulate that I'm putting in a nut, and I can pull the trigger, and if it doesn't set anything, it's going to signal nothing. You know the tool is actuating. If it doesn't see the compression, it doesn't count it, which is pretty cool. And then you take it, and you add on an actual Rivnut, where there'll be some compression coming back. And you can see it's flashing right now. That's about the only thing I don't like about this tool is the flashing, because the flashing is telling you you didn't get a good set, which is good. So we're going to go in here, we're going to put another Rivnut on the right way, and once it actually reads a Rivnut, and we'll see here, it'll set it as we pull the trigger, and it'll spin out. Now normally this would be in the material, so it would spin right out of the tool, but since there was nothing holding it, it just kind of spun itself in place. But then you can tell as we go back to the reader that it actually counted it, and it says okay, because it got good compression, that Rivnut was set properly. After you set 2 Rivnuts, we'll simulate again with the same nut, just not to waste. So I'll just spin this on there a little bit so we can simulate that, because it still will feel the compression from the nut. But then we'll stroke it again, and it would have spun out if it was in the material. And as you can see, it says complete 2. It's signaling the user with the flashing light that it's complete, and it's asking you to actually say that it's done. Once you do that, you can reach over here, you can hit the reset button, and it'll ask you if you want to reset. You hit yes. And then once you reset, you can start it again. Now, this was set up as something simple for just 2 quick insertions. Obviously, this would be super helpful if you had 1,000 parts and 4 in each part, and you wanted to make sure that at the end of all those parts, you had enough completed insertions. So, great tool by Stanley. Give me your feedback.